Hi everyone, and welcome to WePlugins. Today we're here to help you unlock the full potential of your WordPress website. You've taken the fantastic step of subscribing to our service, and now you're eager to access those powerful plugins and take your site to the next level. In this quick and easy guide, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll show you exactly how to access our plugins and seamlessly integrate them into your WordPress website. Now let's dive in. First step is to log in our website by using same account which you've purchased subscription with. After login, this is how interface will looks like. Now we need to download the main plugin. Without this main plugin, you won't be able to access any of our plugin. So to download our main plugin, either you can go to download menu and download it, or you can download it in order section. By just scrolling a bit and just click on View. Here you can see all the details about your plan, and you'll also find license key, which we'll use to connect our WordPress site later on this video. But for now, let's just simply download our main plugin. Now download is completed. Now let's go to our WordPress site admin panel. After you log in, hover your mouse over Plugins. Here it will show you two options: Installed Plugins and Add New Plugin. Just click on Add New Plugin. Now, on top you'll see Upload Plugin. Just click on that and upload the main plugin that we've just downloaded. But remember, plugins have to be in zip format. If somehow your system automatically extracts it, then you'll have to convert it into zip format. For that, just select the extracted folder, then right-click and click on the Send To option. Then just click on Compressed Zipped. Now your plugin folder is zipped. Now back to the topic. Just upload the main plugin and click on Install Now. It will take a few seconds. Now the plugin is installed. Just click on Activate. Now our plugin is activated and a new menu is added as WePlugins. Just click on that. Now we have to add our license key, so let's just go back to our site and copy the license key. Now paste the license key and click on Verify. Now, as you can see, new options are added. Now just click on the plugin list, and here are all the plugins which you can install on your website with just one click. Browse through and find the one you need. For example, I am installing WP GDPR Pro. Now just click on Download. It will take a few seconds. Now it's installed. Remember, it's installed, not activated, so we have to activate it. You can either click here, or you can go to Plugins and click on Activate. Now, as you can see, one more new menu is added. You can access them by just clicking on them. But for now, let's activate one more. For that, hover the mouse cursor over WePlugins, then click on Plugin List. Now I'll install WP Display Files. I'll just click here to activate it. Now you can access all the installed plugins by hovering the mouse cursor over WePlugins and just clicking on the plugin you want to access. Now you can make any changes you want, and if you want to install some other plugin, then the process is same, and that's it. You've successfully accessed and installed WePlugins on your WordPress website. Now you're ready to leverage the power of our plugins to customize, optimize, and elevate your site to new heights. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.